Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul. On this 2018 Kia Soul we're going to go over where you would add your brake fluid. So this is a brake fluid reservoir, and right here on the driver's side, right? And so we have a max line here, we have a minimum line. This oil is very clear, so it's a little bit hard to see sometimes. So one way to do it is if you put a flashlight on the back side, it'll shine through and you'll be able to see it. So we're at the max right here. We're within spec. We want to make sure that we don't get below the minimum, and because we don't want air into our brake lines. Air in the brake lines is not good and your brakes won't work properly. So if you need to add coolant, or not coolant, if you need to add brake fluid, you'll want to remove this cap, and this says you can use .3 or .4, and so you'll want to make sure that you clean this up before you add your fluid, or before you remove this cap, because we don't also want debris to get inside there. And just twist that, and then you would pour some fluid in here, watching your line, and make sure that we only go to the max there, and then we'd be able to put the cap back on and make sure we lock it into place. And we want to prevent is, you want to make sure that this is on good and tight so that no moisture gets into your brake system. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.